Hi everyone, Socky the Sock Puppet here. Your favorite local sock puppet YouTuber is back with update number 2. So far, I've learned that filming Platinum Sock, starring Socky the Sock Puppet, the web series that was supposed to be filming last summer, apparently got delayed. I received word that the filming might begin sometime in November. Also, in case you're wondering where I am, this past 4 weeks or so, I've been on a hiatus as of late. And I've sort of missed everyone. While I was away, I had some planning in mind for all of you to see later on. It's like hitting your head against the wall. Like this. Good thing I'm not paying the bill for that. Anyway, starting in the weekends from now on, I'm gonna be filming more videos in the weekends. And it'll be featuring me doing opinions, reviews, and funny videos on YouTube. Video games, comic books, and movies. And there'll be some funny skits in those videos. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering why I'm turning my head, it's because I don't want Alejandro to find out that I broke a hole in the wall with my nose. My nose is kind of like a hammer. Anyway, I've been on social media as of late while I'm away from YouTube. So, if you want to look for me on Facebook, search in the search bar, Socky the Sock Puppet, and you'll find me. Also, if you want to look for me on Twitter, follow me on @PlatinumSocky. With a capital P for Platinum, a capital S for Socky, and Platinum Socky are together. And follow me on Instagram on Platinum Socky, in small letters this time. Anyway, I got some more updates to tell you all. And show. I'm gonna be in surgery again. This time, I'm coming back better than ever. Once I do, you'll be amazed what I'm gonna do. And also, I sort of want to do lots of funny skits when I do reviews of comic books and video games and movies. And also, I do vlogs every time out in the day in the life of a sock puppet such as myself. And I'm gonna release some songs from Smule, the karaoke app on Google Play Store. It's free. And also, I miss everyone. So keep subscribing to me on YouTube and send me some comments. And don't worry, I'll be back soon later this month with more updates and hopefully brand new videos in the weekends starting this month. I'll send you some updates later on next week. In the meantime, I'll see you guys later.
Socky? Is that you? What are you doing filming in the bathroom? And why I hear the wall break or something? Socky? Socky?
Nothing. I'm just vlogging.
In the bathroom? Are you crazy?
Crazy enough to TP your house.
Wait, what? Let me check. Wait, what's that outside? You TP my house? Socky!
Gotta run. Whoa!